Hello guys, it's me Abdi, Core FX Mentor. This is Chapter 3 Engulfing Barton, Lesson 6, and I am going to explain the golden confirmation. This is my own confirmation that I use the engulfing button to enter the market without not waiting any other concepts. But let me tell you guys some information. When it comes like the ICT or SMC concepts, they always use uh, chalk entry models or confirmation, like let us wait the price to sweep a low and then change form a change of character, then pull back, then entry. That's what they wait, like they wait the sweep of liquidity. And yeah, let me say this is a sweep of money or liquidity, and then when the low is taken as liquidity, then what they wait is like change of character. Okay, change of character. Then they wait bull back for entering the somewhere of here, like imbalance or fair gap, whatever you call it. All right, that's exactly how they always enter. But I'm not using that concept, and I'm not waiting for exactly this all informations. So the golden confirmation is not all about this, but I want to give you the reason why I use golden confirmation, because it is like sometimes Bryce, you see Bryce sweeps a low, or it may not sweep even a low. Okay, it may not even sweep a low. It will do like it enters in our kill zone. Okay, and then automatically goes without not forming any of the change of character and sweep of liquidity, all of these informations. So you see that price reaches our key zone inside the kill zone and then automatically run off. When it runs off, then we will miss this setup because of waiting this information that is not always forming. Bryce is not always forming this information, so that's why I don't want to use anymore about the chalk information. Okay, that's the first thing, the reason that I'm using. So with golden confirmation, you don't need all this information. You will get exactly an entry when you see engulfed candle, because golden confirmation is all about engulfing. Really, when it comes about the golden confirmation, it's a very simple, but you have to understand that the golden confirmation that I'm using is engulfed entry. Engulfed entry. I wait always the engulfed candles. We wait for the new candle to complete engulf the past few candles. For example, this one or this one, this past few candles. We wait the price to push up and engulf them. Whenever it engulfs the body, the wick, all, not only the body, the wick, the body, whenever it breaks all the wicks and bodies above it and closes there, we have an entry. That is where we will set our entry, and our stop loss below the low of the engulfed candles. That there is where we always really want both our stop loss. Of course, uh, it may be fairly like you may not understand it automatically soon. You have to practice on it, identifying, because engulfing buttons that I have explained in the video, types of engulfing, you must understand what type of engulfing is the price forming now, and wait the that engulfed to be completed. So never look as a perfecti as this, okay, because engulfing buttons are different. But the main important thing that I want to tell you is it must engulf a good selection of candles before completing it. You must know the right engulfing. So the other question that you may ask, or maybe I wanna explain, is why do we enter like this? Why do we enter like this? So I wanna give you the reason, or the exactly why we enter like this. First thing, golden confirmation gives us a confirmation that we are moving in that direction. Always we have to know our direction before we enter or even flow the engulfing. So if we know the direction and really enter with the engulfing, that is market exclusion, no need any other concepts, you will enter automatically when you see the engulfing. This method of entry also increases our win rate, and also but it depends on if we apply it in the correct way. Okay, it will give a win rate that's very high, although it does also have a reduce of risk reward ratio, because we will not target a a big risk reward ratio. Okay, in a long time it's a wood. If we want to trade with a higher time frame engulfing patterns, it will be a very wood, like it will give us a good risk reward ratio. But for a lower time frame, we will reduce the risk reward ratio. We will not target bigger RR, or risk reward ratio. So if we want to really get a good move, we must always look for the higher time frame engulfing. If you want a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, that I always do, you must not be greedy. Always focus on small risk reward ratio that is really equivalent to your target. By the way, from now on, you know everything about the engulfing. You know about the all about engulfing. So now, from now on, you want more examples of engulfing and how this strategy works. So let me give you more examples about how to enter the market with the engulfing. All right, I go the market. So for example, I want to show you something very clear. Okay, this is Asian session range. You guys see Asian session range, right? So we make 8. We have to make 8. All right, 8. All right, 8. All right, 8 to 10, where I always look for my entries. Okay, so first thing, I have to check the trend where the market is moving. Okay, I will zoom in, and before the price moves from here, we are in a bullish storyline. Okay, we are in a bullish storyline. Price moves up, right? So that's bullish storyline. So what we want is, like, what is the entry model do we have before the price enters in 8 and 10, between 8 and 10. The entry models, we have 3 entry models for London, and you can see price really broke above the Asian session high, okay, and then retraces back. So this is expansion, retracing expansion. So this is entry model 2. Entry model 2. So whenever price enters, I will make my SNRs, or if I go like 1 hour. Okay, I'm not only telling you 1 hour if there is SNR clear. Okay, if there is SNR clear. Okay, there is no SNR clear. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, so H1, let us go back, because we want a key level where price will return back. Okay, well, price will back. Yeah, seems like this area. I did not touch it. It did not touch it. Let us go 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. So Bryce Bull is back in this range anyway, in this range. And then when Bryce is exactly, yeah, because I think Asian session high is also right. Yeah, it's back. Yeah, where I was, that is where I want. Yeah, this is the Asian session broken zone. So this broken zone is where we are expecting the price to come back. All right, so we have to find a key level at the lower time frame or any time frame that's forming. So I can see 5 minute has breakout level which is open close. So that open close is where price is touching as a decisional point. So this point, open close, you guys see this is the open close, OC, open close. When price touch the open close, then it will go up. But which time, please? It must be between 8 and 10. Okay, between 8 and 10. So where is our entry? That's what we want, because we have this lasty up close candle as our engulfing. Okay, this is the engulfing. You see even till the low. Okay, you are not automatically entering. You are not automatically entering. You are not automatically entering when price touches a zone. Okay, you wait the price to engulf and cover up this market. Whenever it closes and covers up this market, then there is your entry. There is your entry. Okay, that candle is your entry. Stop loss will be this. Okay, and then find 1 to 3 for maximum. 1 to 3 maximum. Okay, drag it and wait the price to give you 1 to 3 maximum. If not, then 2 is okay, but maximum 1 to 3. If you don't have 1 to 3, then you can exit 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, whatever. So let me give you another example. Okay, there is Asian session high. Okay, 10 8 to 10 is here. 8 to 10 is here. So we got Asian session high there where price broke. All right, where price broke Asian session high, and then price broke it and then retraced back. This expansion retracement intermodal. You always look a key level inside the Asian session where we wanted to aim or trace. Okay, where we want to aim or trace. Okay, Asian session. So there is SNR here. I don't know if price will touch this SNR, but you have to make H1 SNR. All right, H1 SNR, and then we have the Asian session high there. There is open close in here. Okay, as SNR, and then OC. We go 30 minutes and look if there is another one which is very clear. All right, we don't have any SNR in 30 minutes. That's very clear. Okay, but when we come here, we got another SNR which will be here, open close, but it is the same zone of the open close. Anyway, this is the engulfed, fail, and then drag it there. So that's EF. We have learned about EF because this was EG sell, but price broke above it as Asian session, and then you can see price is coming back. So where is our entry? Our entry will be at the 5 minute always, because the golden confirmation applies for your entry at 5 minutes, since we are scalping and making it strong for your setups. So you have EF in, and think about between 10 and also the 8, between 8 and 10. So now you have EF where price return it back. So what you will do is wait the engulfing pattern. The engulfing pattern. So this is the first candle that retraces back the EF. Alright, but you can see that when price tries to go and break above it, it weakened. There is a wick here, it did not break by body. And then price came back and then bullshit up. So this candle break by a body, and then this candle confirms. So there is our entry or stop loss will be somewhere here. Like we enter the price there, and then exactly we place our stop loss. This swing the low of the engulfing. So when we place, then our target will be 1 to 3 maximum, or 1 to 2 if we want. So that's 1 to 3, and it's really enough. Alright, that's a nice entry. So we can also have a lot of examples. Alright, lot of examples. Let us go on another market like gold, guys. Saxo, always Saxo, not other broker. Look here, if you looking for entry, use Saxo. For analysis, paper stone. Alright, for high time frame analysis, use paper stone. But when you want it to enter the market, always use the Saxo. Okay. Alright, and let me remove this information. Alright, for this market, let me show you. This is really 8, and this is also a 10. Ask which entry model was formed before the price interest between 8 and 10. What happened here? That's what you want. So you can see that there is within range because price did not sweep the Asian session high and Asian session low. Okay, let me mark here Asian session low, let me save this for us. All right, okay, so this is Asian session high. So Asian session high, price did not take even Asian session high, and we entered 8. This is within range, intermodal 3. Alright, intermodal 3. So we have to mark out all the SNRs before the price swept any of low or high. So you can see we have an SNR, we have an SNR which is at the 5 minute. Alright, we have also another SNR. Alright, whenever price touches the SNR in between 8 and 8 and also 10, you will do wait the engulfing. Okay, you wait the engulfing. You see that price exactly covers these engulfing candles, this one. Okay, this candle, the first candle of the price that touched the SNRs. So entry is the next candle, that the candle that covers all this candle it is this one. You must see it. automatically. This candle coverage, you see, so you place your short position here, and then stop loss will be above the candle, and then exactly wait the price to give you 1 to 3. You can see it gave 1 to 4, but the best is 1 to 3. If you can take 1 to 3 safe, it's okay. So I'll be also adding more information, like what is our target, where is our target, the most important place where we can exactly exit. So just a quick note, this is strategy we apply, and we call it golden confirmation on a 5-minute time frame always. However, it can be applied to any time frame, so feel free to adapt it to anything you require. So you can go and make it a higher time frame strategy, but always let me tell you, when it comes to the golden confirmation, the accuracy of this concept of entry, it will be the higher time frame. But for me, I like scalping and I go 5 minutes. But if you can go 1 hour engulfing, 4 hour engulfing for a good entry, and with accuracy go higher time frame anyway. So my final point of this golden confirmation is when you are exactly targeting. Before I give another examples, okay, this one, look, also there is Asian session high and Asian session low, right? There is Asian session high, okay, and low, Asian session low, and Asian session high and Asian session low. All right, low and Asian session high. So we wait the price to enter 8. Okay, 8. Okay, we wait the price to enter 8. All right. So, and make any SNR. That's what I told you. You wait the price to enter 8, but make always any of the SNRs engulfed that are already formed, because it's the zone where you always trade. Okay, so we got this one, and then we also have another MTF. Okay, MTF here, another SNR here, sorry, another SNR here. So we make it these SNRs now, and we know exactly, yeah, where price will touch. So this is the zone where you will expect the price to come after you see price is not breaking any of the low of Asian or high of Asian session. So whenever price comes this zone, you can look for your entry or price to retrace back there. All right, so you have a bullet back movement or mitigation move. So this last candle, this is the engulfed candle where price engulfed. You can go till the high, so you can make it till here, but I always use the high in order not to fall in risky zone. Okay, so I always like to use the high of the engulf and also the cover up candle. All right, so there is where you can, guys, see that this candle that closes below here is the entry. Okay, that's the entry. So you place your enter, you automatically enter without not waiting any of the bullbacks and so on, and then when you enter there, you will exactly target 1 to 3 maximum. Okay, 1 to 3 maximum, and that's 1 to 3, guys. You can see almost every time it will hit your TB. So the last point is like, where is our target? we can always target where we see liquidities. Liquidities are like trend line liquidity or lows or imbalance, because even the imbalance we still use, guys, in Malaysian SNR. You guys see there is imbalance here, and then if I drag it, so it will be where I target. You see that is my target point. In our previous setup, even I think we still have to target the imbalances. Yeah, where we have an imbalance level for our target. So while SMCs, they use the imbalance for entries, I use imbalance for my exit points. Okay, so that's the target. So yeah, break event when price breaks the first low, and this will be your first TB, second TB, and also the last TB. Yeah, this is what I mean. The first low be a break even plus TB1. Okay, break even plus TB1. Okay, and you know your stop loss, right? Your stop loss is always above the high. And okay, this will be, since this is the last TB, this the next low, this will be your TB2, and finally here is your TB3. Here is your TB3. I hope that this video covers the most important part of the engulfing strategy, and if you really learn more about it, be careful to try it on demo first before you go through the real account. My friends, I am not going to forget this thing. Always the trend, always the trend, always the storyline. You must always know the storyline before you place a trade, before you take any of this information that I have given you. I hope that we have covered all about the engulfing information. Is if there's any other updates that I will make on engulfing system, I will add it and record video in this chapter. I wish you the best. Let us go the next chapter, which is chapter 4. Thank you for watching.